こうぎょう. You hear this when talking about a town's profile or a company's field. It also appears often in social studies and geography classes. 工業は町の紹介や会社の分野の話でよく出ます。学校の社会や地理の授業でもよく聞きます。It is used as a noun. 工業 means the field of making things in factories, processing materials into products. 製造の分野のこと。工場で材料を加工して製品を作る活動を指します。The first kanji means craft or work. It often points to making or building. You can see it in koujou and koji. Both are about making or constructing things. The second kanji means work or business, and also a field. It marks activities and lines of work. You can see it in sangyo and sagyo. It suggests tasks and organized jobs. This town has a thriving industry. この町は工業が盛んです。この町は工業が盛んです。Japanese industry is famous around the world. 日本の工業は世界で有名です。日本の工業は世界で有名です。We learn about industrial history at school. 学校で工業の歴史を学びます。学校で工業の歴史を学びます。New factories were built and industry developed. 新しい工場ができて工業が発展しました。新しい工場ができて工業が発展しました。The most common synonyms of the word are sangyo and seizogyo. Sangyo is broader and includes farming and services, while seizogyo is specifically about making products, which overlaps closely with kogyo. The most common antonym of the word is nogyo. It focuses on growing and raising things, while kogyo focuses on making products in factories.